Hello. Today our topic is valuation of goodwill. Goodwill is an intangible asset. Come under the category of asset. It made upon the reputation of the firm or on the company on the basis of profit they earned. It is valued under 4 categories. Number 1, average profit method. Number 2, super profit method. Number 3, weightage profit method. Someone say weighted, both are the same thing. 4, capitalization method. Capitalization method are 2 types. Capitalization, super profit method, capitalization, average profit method. This topic is useful for CA foundation, CS foundation and class 12 accountancy of any type of respective boards. According to the average profit method, first of all, we have to calculate average profit. This the method name is average profit method. Average profit is equals to, we have to sum of the profit of different number of years, and if you have a loss, the loss will be deducted, divided by number of year profit or loss upon which you are going to value it out. After getting the average profit, the goodwill will be valued average profit into purchase year. The purchase year will be provided in the sum. It means the firm about on what year valuation they are going to make out the goodwill valuation. That is called purchase year. The second method is super profit method. It says super profit is equals to average profit minus normal profit. Therefore, goodwill as same super profit into purchase year. The one thing we have to calculate the normal profit. As far the average profit is concerned, we have already calculated in the first method. But as far the normal profit is concerned, it is the new topic under the super profit. So the normal profit means normal rate of return into capital employed. Now, one thing we have to discuss regarding the capital employed. If you are in the firm, the capital employed will mean total asset minus current liability, or you can say outside liabilities minus non-current investments minus fictitious asset. That is called capital employed. And if you are in the company, the capital employed equals to share capital. That means equity share capital, preference share capital, reserve and surplus plus long term debt minus fictitious asset. Further, if the asset value has increased, it will be added. If the asset value decrease, it will be deducted. If the revaluation liability, means the liability is going to be changed, then if it is changed in the form of increment, then it will deduct. If the liability will decrease, it will be add up in order to get the capital employed. And as far the firm is concerned, you can also say that the capital is employed in the firm, that is asset minus liability is also equals to capital. Now we come under next method, that is called weighted method. Under weighted method, it is provided with weighted. So we have to calculate the weightage average profit. It will be calculated when the profit is multiplied with the respective weight that is provided with the respective year. Profit 1 will be multiplied with the weight 1, profit 2 will be multiplied with the weight 2, profit will multiply with the weight 3. It depends upon how much the weight is given according to number of years. It will continue divided by total weight. Thereafter, goodwill will be the same thing. Weighted average profit into purchase year. Now we come across fourth method. The fourth method is capitalization method, and it categorizes into two categories: capitalization super profit method and capitalization average profit method. Now if we come under the capitalization super profit method, here goodwill comes directly. Goodwill equals to super profit into 100 divided by normal rate of return. Directly, it will appear directly. And as far as super profit is concerned, we have already discussed super profit means difference between average profit and normal profit. Now the second part of it, the capitalization method, is capitalization of average profit. The capitalization of average profit, under this category we have to first calculate capitalized value. Capitalized value means same thing, average profit into 100 divided by normal rate of return. Therefore, goodwill equals to capitalized value minus net asset. What do you mean by net asset? You can say that asset minus liability, and even you can say the net asset means the total capital employed in the firm. So that's all for today regarding the valuation for goodwill.